Hey guys, this is going to be my long-awaited threading tutorial, how to thread. So, let's get right to it. I apologize for the messy scene in the back. I haven't cleaned my room yet, and on this tutorial, let me just tell you one thing: practice makes perfect, and so just practice, and if you don't get it the first time, then keep trying. So what you're going to need is basically just thread, and take a long piece of thread, not too long, maybe about this size, half my forearm. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a piece of string, and I'm gonna put the ends together. I'm gonna join the ends like okay, hold on. Ugh. Okay, so I'm going to join the ends together like this, and I'm going to knot the end. My string is being funky dory today, so I'm just going to okay, so once you knotted it, you're going to have something like this. It's just a little loop. See? Capiche? Okay. So once you have the little loop, what you're going to do is take the string, put your arms in between it like this. So your arms are going to be, well, not your arms, your hands are going to be in it, halfway in it. And you're going to take one arm and twirl it so you get a little twist in the middle like this, so you guys can see it. And basically what you do after this is your equipment. This is all you're going to be using to thread. You can put a hair in between either of these little loops. You can put it in this side or on this side, but whichever loop you decide to put it in, you have to put you have to move with your opposite hand. So say I put some hair, like I'm taking hair off my eyebrow, so I want to put the hair in between here. So I go like this. I make sure I do it with the opposite hand, so it's like this. If I put the hair in this little loop, like this, I have to use the opposite hand, so I'll be doing it with this hand. And basically how you pull the hair out is by scissor motions. When you move your hand like this, you can tell that the string is going forward, so it's pulling the hair out at the same time as it's moving forward. And to make it come back to its place, you do that, and then you just go back again, and it goes back. And I hope that helped. I know that's kind of complicated, but this is the easiest method to do when you're doing it on yourself. And actually, as far as I know, this is the only method that you can use to do it on yourself. I'm not sure, but that's it. You just basically put hair in between and you thread. And this is, personally to me, and supposedly it's less painful than waxing, because I suppose, I don't know, but it is, and it's less painful than tweezing, I know for sure, because it pulls out more hair than tweezing, as opposed to pulling out one hair at a time. But technically that's it, and I hope that helped. I'm telling you guys right now, I'm not really good at doing a tutorial on how to thread, but that's the basic concept of it, and I hope you guys understood it. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Hopefully I can do like a picture tutorial on my blog, if that would be easier. And practice makes perfect. I'm telling you right now, it took me about 3 months to perfect my threading on myself. So just practice. Just make sure you're not going to pull out any random hairs, because then that's going to be such a hassle to grow back in. And so until then, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!